Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train. Get on the flavor train with your girl, Lady T. Ooh, yeah. What's up, everybody? You already know what time it is. It's flavor train time. We got a house full of folks, and we actually have a special guest. She's part of the family. She is my sister. She's over there on the end. She doesn't want to show her face in the place. But Tansy, say hey to the flavor train.
Hey, I'm here.
Anyway, let's do the prayer so we can show you what we got. Thank you, most gracious and heavenly Father, for the food I'm about to receive, for the nourishment of my body, for Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Y'all already know what it do.
What it did.
We got some beef roast with gravy. Rice with gravy, corn muffin, sweet, and this is squash casserole.
Right.
Some collard greens or turnip greens, right?
Mm-hmm.
And some pork chops, fried pork chops,
and some diced vegetables, topped off with some olives. Yes.
Yes.
And the onions.
And we're doing water. Yes. And Miss Lisa's on the end. Say what's up, Lisa.
Hello, everybody.
Now look, y'all already know I'm trying to represent. I'm supporting my girl B Loves Life. Y'all already know she's the seafood boil queen. Anyway, like I told you, I like to support people. She's got merchandise out, so of course it's all about that yum yum good. So you know that's one of her sayings. So I got my t-shirt and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna support her. She's doing the daggone thing. She's doing it big. So love you, my sister. I'm sure y'all can go to her channel, and she's got her link to her merchandise and all that. So show some love and support your homegirl. Anyway, let's do it. Let me see the hot sauce in the ranch. I'm gonna put a little bit of ranch.
There you go. Put you some ranch.
I'm
gonna enjoy this because I'm gonna be back on the grind tomorrow. Excuse me. This hot sauce going.
That B-Love, is the same B-Love that had that line out of all kinds of towels and...
No, not that I know of.
The kind of love. I had bought some stuff a few years ago. I bought a towel rack.
No, I don't think so.
Paper napkin thing and just a whole bunch of stuff.
Excuse me. No, she's a YouTuber. She
What y'all know?
I mean, her whole family's into it. Her sons has got channels. Her husband's got channels. They just doing it.
Red peppers, bell peppers, kiss on the cheese.
Y'all, I'm so sore. I've been spring cleaning.
Yeah, that's there.
Mr. Silver Fox was helping us out, helping me out rather.
I just finished cleaning the
I
car.
was doing it. Y'all, the closets are done.
Washing the car.
Yeah.
Everything is done. I mean, I did some down home, deep, throwing away old stuff. Get rid of that stuff. You ain't seen it and you ain't worn it. And you ain't even thought about it in the whole year. This is my process of decluttering and being a minimalist. I'm only going to continue. I'm just going to keep what I need when I need it for use, whether it be on a daily or weekly basis. Stuff I'm not using over a period of time, I'm getting rid of it. It's just going to look at me and I'm going to look at it. It'll make you feel better. Now, my body is paying for it because I've been doing this since Thursday. Plus, I've been working out. So, my body has felt it.
Just put that tulip out. While I was out there, you should put that tulip in the ground.
Oh.
This show enough is yum yum good.
This is good.
Squash casserole. And of course, y'all already know, in about a couple hours, you go on over to my mama's channel. Come on in. So y'all can see how she prepared this lovely feast. So you can do it for your family or yourself.
And what is Corey doing?
No. You know, he in school. He back in school getting a message.
Oh, this is good.
It is good.
Some of these greens are hot. Some of these collard greens are hot.
Oh, I put a little bit of pepper.
I see it.
Red pepper.
Yeah, this is real pepper. That warm me up and
It's good. It's good, ma.
All is good. Speaking of collard,
It's good, baby. It's good. Okay.
It's delicious.
Okay.
would you like to describe for the people how good it is, or would you not quite ready to do that yet?
Not yet.
The flavor, y'all, the flavor. But speaking of college, I'm gonna tell you what is so awesome.
That hot pepper.
That pepper got
you
you.
want lemon
Yeah.
They're showing people, a lot of college students now applying for colleges, okay? And so what they're doing, they're recording the acceptance. Like, you know, the big thing is now when people, it's like around prom season,
You know that.
people asking, and they do it big, how you ask someone out for prom. But now they've been doing a lot of videos and been showing them where people are applying for a bunch of colleges, and like this one guy, one black guy, he had applied to 20 colleges, and all of them had accepted him, but the one he wanted was Stanford. So while he was sitting at this computer, you know, they were recording it, and sure enough,
For Ivy League.
he clicked the email where it said that you accepted, and of course, so that made me, I really enjoyed it. They got a bunch of videos out.
Yeah, but you know there were two people that trolled on the news, and your boy got on him.
So what now?
Charlamagne got on him.
Oh, what happened?
You had a panel of white women and one black woman up there talking about he wasted a young person's turn that got to be waiting on him because he said why would he go to 20? He didn't have to do that many. Hating. He was like, "Are you kidding me?"
You gotta put it out there. You don't know that those.
Of course, that's what we said. But
I mean,
of
come
course,
on
he
now.
was like, they got dunked the other day
Okay, good.
because of what they did.
That's just like that. That's stupid. That's just like
Right.
telling a person you need a job real bad and you only gonna apply to one company. No, you better apply to as many companies as you can. Because guess what? It could have been the opposite. Let's say 20 of them declined them, and maybe only 19 declined them and only one accepted. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah.
They got dunked the other day.
Oh, yeah. Did I do it right?
Because, I mean,
I know. You have to be good. I'm glad they tagged them.
somebody has to rain on the parade, I guess.
Somebody always got to rain on your parade.
You must have got one going back.
They'll find something. And that's what I was talking about in the video I did on yesterday when I was talking about my weight loss. And it really wasn't for the naysayers. It's indirectly going to be toward them. Because they will prefer us to eat grass and eat snow for water. You know, I'm serious. They just going to be...
Misery loves company.
Yeah, they're going to do
I
that.
know one thing.
But the purpose of me doing that video was to encourage somebody out there, because there's somebody out there whether
Exactly.
it be somebody's picking on them, somebody's telling them they can't do it. Look how big you are. You're nothing but this. I specifically was transparent and showed a little bit of that just to show people and just to show that one person. Because see, I'm not here. It's just like what Jesus was saying. Look, if you know me, that's wonderful. I'm for that. Just because you know who I am and you know my goodness, that's a beautiful thing. You go out and you show people who I am. But guess what? I'm speaking to those who are lost. And that's what a lot of times people have to understand. I'm not speaking to you, Miss Skinny Minnie.
Right.
I'm not speaking to you who go to the gym and on the outside you're the specimen of health, and maybe on the inside you're the specimen of, well, I'm not talking to you.
Right.
I'm talking to that woman or that man that's struggling and letting them know I was her.
Right.
Whether it was because of an accident and you weren't as active as you wanted to be because your body wouldn't let you, because you was trying to just heal and fight through pain, and you gained a lot of weight.
Right.
Or you had a job like with me. I had a physical job, and then I went to a desk job, and guess what? I was still eating like I wanted to eat, but when I was physical, I was burning it off. So, you know. But anyway, so people's life will change and cause them.
Right.
But people will judge you. They'll sit here and talk about your stuff. But, you know, like I said, I'm always thinking about that person that I got something to say that's going to help them.
Right.
That's going to help them over the hump. That say, you know what, Lady T, thank you for that video, because I was about to give up. But when you showed those pictures and you see where you are now and where I'm still trying to get, and I'll be able to show these pictures now in my current state, and when I finally reach my destination, okay, let's say it take me another year or two. Oh, well, I'm progressively moving forward. And that's what I wanted to convey to people. Just progressively move forward.
Right.
It may not be as quick as everybody else want it to be for
Right.
you. You know? But yeah, you're right, Tony. Somebody will sit back and dissect. If you give them $10,000 to help them financially, they're going to get mad and say, well, $11,000 was what I really needed to get me out of debt.
And what I was told, give me my money back.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that.
Give me my money back then.
Yeah.
The only thing I
always have those.
Oh,
You
yeah.
always-
This is so good.
Is this beef?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a roast. What kind of roast is this? Just a regular beef roast?
Yeah, but I fixed it like I would have fixed oxtail, because that's what I was going to do was oxtail. So I just did the oxtail seasoning.
Mmm.
Because they didn't have no oxtail for some season. I thought, man, I ain't going to run all the time.
Mm.
Then spend my money.
I've never had oxtails.
Mmm.
Never.
They're more good.
That's good.
It tastes it's a beefy taste, but with the sort of gristly, the meat is gristly. And it's very good. But you find them, so I thought, well, roast beef it is.
You don't want it. You don't want your beef. Me eat it for you. Who's gone? We talk about. We eat already.
But I may finish now.
And Karan said he was going to come get him something to eat, man.
He got that baby this weekend.
Yep, it's back film again. It's fun again.
Oh my. Oh. That water.
I didn't even bring anything to drink.
Oh
You
my.
can get you in the drink, sweetie.
Well, I'm not thirsty. I'm hungry. I'll probably be thirsty by the time I finish this plate. But right now, I'm just hungry. And that's slowly dissipating.
I figured you wanted to have that plate ready.
Kareem wanted to go see that movie, Get Quiet.
Hmm? Be quiet.
The movie.
What's the name? What's the name? That's the one.
I think it's called Quiet. You got to be quiet.
The quiet room. Oh.
You can't speak in the movie. You can't. The movie is about you can't. If you talk, if they hear you, they'll snatch you up. They'll be snatching all your people up.
Let's snatch you up.
Call your kids, call your wife, call your kids, call your wife, and call your husband because they snatching everybody out here. Y'all remember that? Andrew Dodson.
Let's snatch her quick.
Oh, we wore that song out. We're looking for you. We're gonna find you. We're gonna find you. So run and tell that. Run and tell that. Run and tell that. Home, 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 boy. Woo, we wore that song out.
I ain't never heard that song.
They be climbing through your window, snatching all your people up. Ghetto ratchet.
Yeah, but you would be snatched early
Why?
because you wouldn't be able to be quiet.
You talking about me?
Yeah.
Now I can be quiet when I have to be now. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I want to go Tuesday night. That's the $5 night.
And the snacks are $5. The stuff is discounted too. The food too.
Oh, I don't know.
It is. Gotta read down a little further.
Boy.
Gotta read down a little further. The snacks are discounted as well.
Really?
I thought somebody had told me about the
And
food.
look, I went to the movie Friday.
You didn't tell us.
Was y'all home Friday?
No.
Okay, well, sorry.
The helicopter. The helicopter.
It was a me day.
We didn't go anywhere this past Friday. The helicopter's being repaired.
La 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 la. Well, it was a me day. I was just out and about. I had to take Lauren to her daddy's and blah blah blah. And I was taking a break from spring cleaning. But anyway,
Back to the story.
back to the store. I went to go see the Paul the Apostle of Christ. That was good. And guess what? I was the only one in there. Everybody else was going to see whatever. I was the only one in that movie. But I was okay with that because the Lord just ministered to me. That I needed that, you know. It was a good movie. But
See that?
when I went there, because I had ate my breakfast and then for my lunch was butter popcorn and some and a Diet Coke. But anyway,
Nobody else was. No one.
no, I'm telling you, I was the only one. It was felt kind of funny because I don't think I've ever gone to a movie and nobody was in there. And it's been out a while.
No, that was the first time because you would remember that.
Yeah, I was the only one in there. The only one. I just sat there and
You good time then, girl.
you know, I did. I mean, hey, you know, it was 2:00 in the afternoon, you know. So anyway,
On a Wednesday, Tuesday,
on a
Saturday.
Friday.
Friday.
And it was a lot of people there because, you know, the parking lot was pretty full. I wonder what they're building on the other side. They're building something on the other side, big old building. On the other side of the street.
So they actually charged you?
Yeah. $7.50. But what I'm saying is, I was going to try to say, well, you know what, I've been doing good. I've been doing my portion control and stuff. Let me go and get it because I love me some Reese's Pieces.
Come on.
Child, please. I call myself going to buy a bag of Reese's Pieces. My brain, I just won't even think.
You know,
$4.50.
you know what she said? She went to the movie last Friday.
$4.50.
$4.50.
Paul the Christ. Paul
I
what was
thought,
it?
no,
Paul
we ain't
what?
doing that. And I said,
Paul what? Was the Pope's name? Paul
Paul
what?
the Apostle.
And she was the only one in there.
the only one.
Wow.
Yep, the only
And they
one.
still charged her.
Hey.
Wow. Well, you thought it might have been free?
Yeah, she's the only one. I mean, literally.
The only one. And I sat right there.
Well, they wouldn't know that she was going to be the only one.
Exactly, because you got people who come in late.
I mean, could have been people after her.
They don't go where nobody comes.
Now, 20 minutes in, I could see they came and gave her her money back.
No, honey, they won't do that because it was actually for a Friday afternoon.
Like it.
Oh, I loved
It'd
it.
be nice so I can just start stabbing now.
She liked it. She liked it.
I liked it.
Y'all have got to.
Because you know how I am anyway about folks talking and carrying on doing a movie anyway.
Oh, so you were in heaven.
Oh,
I'll be right back. I'm going to get this.
see, the Lord fixed that thing just so I could watch it by
And
myself.
for you not to come get me, you call me.
Would you have gone to the movie?
To another side.
Oh, snap. Forget that, Tony.
What?
Sirius XM has a new channel by LL Cool J
Oh, yeah? What's it
called Rock the Bells.
Oh,
Do you understand me? I thought, now this would be Tony and me on a road trip. Let me tell you talk about naming that too. I'm talking about when hip hop was just hip hop and it wasn't a bunch of foolishness.
Right.
I was jamming.
When hip hop was real hip hop.
Exactly. Wait. Listen, Tony, I was doing, they play OPP.
Okay.
Oh my, do you, Biz Markie?
Wait.
You got what I need.
Hey,
But you say he's just a friend.
What I'm about, you say, hey, wait. And then you get to do all that.
Tony, let me tell you, I had the best. Oh, I had the best time. That was so good to me.
But see, this is the thing that you're lacking.
What?
Yeah.
And I thought about that, man. That would have been perfect.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Now that you say that, yeah, we could have went to the movies together.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
So you said something serious. They already turned it on.
Channel 43 on the dial. I got my life totally together. Lisa, do you hear me?
Is it on every day?
Yes. Yes. It's a new one. It's not like one of them
So
weekend things.
You did a commercial for them.
Let me
Is
tell
it
you.
Monday through Friday?
Yeah, it's just now. It's a new channel now.
Saturday.
I do pretty work.
Yeah,
I do pretty work back there.
What?
Oh, you did some pretty work
My
too.
equal. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm
It was
an
good.
assassin. You playing.
I've been running my mouth.
Mm-hmm. So we did both. Trained well in the art of discussing and eating.
I was talking
I
more.
see you are a novice.
What better skills, Master Tony, do I need to acquire to eat more better?
Your desire is strong. Your technique it needs to work.
Is it because I don't put enough food on my fork, Master?
You do not have enough of dedication. You easily are distracted. You must focus.
Y'all moving?
Oh yes,
Where you
yes.
gonna wait on?
Because she talking about, because we were
That
able
place is clean.
to eat and carry on and eat and devour our food as well as
But
she
what?
still has food left.
But what about?
I told her she was a novice.
But what about the rule that we have to chew our food?
You
32
must abide
times.
by, because it's fifth time you done you done skeeted some particles.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Kale everywhere. There's kale everywhere, Mom.
Excuse me, Master Tony. I do better
You
next
got
time.
kale confetti.
Oh my God, don't make me laugh. But they already know. They already know you go out of the starting block and don't stop.
Yep.
You gotta have a focus.
They play rock,
L-A-Y, don't you play with me. It's St. John's that I set you free. Play that your own risk. Yeah. Play that your own risk.
Oh, I was getting it.
I'm telling you.
Play at your own risk.
L-A-Y,
If you play with me. It's at your risk that I
Y'all
set
got
you
old
free. Now it's always got you on my mind. How's it go? If you think that you're too stuck to top, I take you to the top, then I let you drop.
Once upon a time, there used to be
Now they didn't play that
a
one.
space cowboy.
They didn't play that. They played the White Horse though.
Huh? They did?
Wild horse.
If you
Wanna
wanna
ride,
ride,
ride the Wild Horse.
if you wanna ride,
Ride. Oh my God, I was getting my whole life
you
together.
ride though. They went way back then.
Oh, they did.
Music.
Mm-hmm. That might be Kathleen.
They're knocking at the door.
Lauren,
Yeah.
that your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask her, did she want to say hey to the people at YouTube?
There it is.
Oh my goodness. But yeah. Tony.
Look, we went to, have you ever been to, Tonya's had that burrito I was talking about there, hasn't she? Have you had, she had a burrito from there, what I was telling her about?
Not barn. Is it bonfire? Bonfire.
Bonfire, where is that?
Right there.
It's in the city? Okay. I'll look for it. But go ahead. What was it? I've never had anything from there.
Oh.
Was it good?
It was good.
Did you hurt yourself?
I hurt
They
myself
got
too bad.
Did it, and
I
I was going to tell you.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. See, I want people
They
to
got,
know that we don't exclude Lisa.
Well, she's looking in my eyes.
Oh, okay. So that makes it okay.
I'm going to pass it to her. I'm going to pass it to her.
Oh,
Equal opportunity.
okay.
I'm going to pass it to her.
Mm.
Because see, she was there with the experience.
What's up, Miss Kathleen?
How y'all
Are
doing?
you too shy to say hey to the people of YouTube?
My darling, good to see you.
On my
Take
YouTube
care.
channel.
YouTuber. We're all YouTubers.
I don't go on
Hey.
YouTube that often. I know Lauren's obsessed with YouTube.
Yes, she is. Cause you
All
know,
y'all have
I
channels?
got a channel. I got a
Oh, I've seen your channel. I didn't know you had one.
No,
I have
no,
two.
I don't.
Do you? I'll have to check it out then.
I thought I told you,
I'll
Kathleen.
soon have a channel.
No.
There's a channel soon.
This
to come.
is Lauren's mother, Kathleen. You can hear her voice, but she's not quite ready to show her face on YouTube. So all 20,000 people will see her.
Yeah.
I'll just say hi from over here. I ain't going on camera.
You don't want to peek in here?
No.
All right, love you.
Love y'all.
Have a good one.
See you next time. Bye, Lauren.
Bye, baby.
Bye, Lauren. Okay,
And where were we?
start from the beginning, master, and tell us about the food.
Oh, yeah.
He bent back because he
Bonfire.
thought he was going to get KO confetti.
The bonfire. the bonfire.
Okay.
The bonfire, yeah. Let's reel it in. Reel it in. It was good. They have regular, right?
the regular junior.
No. You back that up. They have the junior,
Yeah, the junior.
which is about a nice size burrito. What we think of just a regular size burrito.
Mm-hmm.
Then the regular, which is what we got.
Mm-hmm.
Well, she got the regular because I got a regular.
She was trying to be like you.
Right, well, she would have got a junior.
She would lead, you were leading and she was following.
Well, yes, you know.
Okay.
I mean, you know, hey.
Well, actually, it was because I hadn't ate anything, so I thought maybe I needed not the junior, but the
Right,
regular
which
size.
falls into what I'm getting ready to tell you because we thought we were hungry.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so that's saying a lot because you know how we eat. But when that boy said, "Okay, what would you like in there?" Oh, I get to pick what goes in that wrap, and you get to pick what kind of wrap. So I got the jalapeno and cheddar wrap. Tortilla.
Ooh, that sounds good.
She got the garlic and herb
Yeah.
tortilla.
Yeah.
nice big old flat tortilla that they heated up for you first. Then they slide it over there and they say, "What would you like to go with this, sir? Cilantro rice or Spanish rice?" Spanish and cilantro.
Ah!
Is it gonna cost more if I get both? No.
You want your takeout box.
He just put it in there. And then it got to the steak. I'm talking about steak.
The real steak, not
Not
scraps.
steakums.
Right.
Not that steak.
Not
Not
a
the
steak.
confetti steak.
Right.
They got what they
They-
dip now.
Today the word is confetti.
Right, the steak, yes. And they juices. Now the chicken was shredded pulled chicken the way it's supposed to be.
Right.
Real chicken.
That's what I had.
Where they
I had
baked
the
it and
chicken.
took the fork and shredded it
The
with the
luck
fork.
out with being able to get both rice, no extra charge. So when it got to that, Maya, I got all the peppers and all the other cheeses. We're gonna fast forward to that. We got to the meat and stuff. Yeah, I got steak only, right? So she said, "Nick, can I get both of them?" You mean I can get and there's no extra charge? He said, No. Put some chicken on that, please.
Oh my, Lisa.
What? Look, when he got food, when he got ready
This over here
to
crying.
look, when he got ready, you said, "I'm lying." When he got ready to
Roll
roll it, it was a pile of stuff. It was
Ooh,
a pile of everything I wanted.
a mountain.
I like it's like a home.
And when he was
And
doing
I
it,
said, "How's he gonna roll that thing?"
He knew what
Yeah.
he was doing.
He rolled it.
he wrote it. He put it all
Like a
in
art.
there.
It's an art to it. Yeah.
It was an art
So when
form.
he slid it across his
Yeah.
It made noise.
I said, yeah, we told it though. To we wasn't gonna take it home. We could go out the door with it.
No.
We gonna stay here.
We gonna stay here
He
and eat.
ate it, boy. You talking about something good? And then they put their sauce over the top.
Oh, I gotta go check it out. That's gonna be one of my cheat meals.
Look at my
Excuse me, cheat
The
meal.
secretary down at the Arts Council, her and her husband
over
on
the
that
top.
deal.
Guacamole.
The guacamole,
And
the
sour
guacamole.
Heaven, in heaven, my man. It was so good.
Ooh.
And we were saying, woo, when we walked out and look, walked out the door. We was like, woo, I didn't know this was going to be so big.
Oh my goodness.
It was so
I've never
good.
been in the store, but
I have never been there. I know exactly what you're talking about because I've seen the
Right, and that was
sign.
the first time I went because I kept doing like that, just riding by. I said, you know what, I'm going in
Is
there.
that a William?
That's right there off of Spence. You can get off from Spence or Berkeley, either way. Because it's in that road. You know, the
Yeah.
cash where they rides and runs in between.
Yeah,
In that little car.
Yeah,
What's got the Japanese place,
gotcha.
restaurant. And what else is next to that?
I have to tell Karen, she'll be so tickled.
Oh yeah,
Renaissance
yeah. Tell they did a
is
wonderful
the same
job
part.
fixing my room.
Renaissance
I
is
will
right
be
up there.
back.
I
Yeah,
know.
Renaissance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, how much was it?
It was $6 some change for that one. Yeah. And
Wow.
It was worth every penny
Yeah, they.
because you're full, and that's how you judge a meal. If it's first
y'all
the
just
quality
did
of the
the-
food, and if you're full.
Mm-hmm.
So y'all just
And I
did
was
a
full.
burrito and something to drink?
Right, and something to drink. Water, of course, we drink water. That's all you water. Because
Right.
everything's in there.
Anything else would have been a waste because the
Right.
flavor was in the food.
If you would have tried to eat anything else with that, you would have to go to the emergency room. I put it like this.
911.
No, hold up, because I didn't fill you in. We got the, mind you now, did you keep in mind, I said we got the regular. That was the regular. They had a size bigger than that called
Yeah.
the Beast.
The beast,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh snap! In the way.
My forearm.
What?
Yeah, because I
That's how
remember
long
when we were
and
ordering,
it's
they
about
were
that
saying,
thick
watch
too.
out now, it's real big.
Yeah, you somebody got to take one who eat that.
Small one.
If a person, yeah,
Wow.
that's a lot. Yeah, it's big. It's called the Beast, but it's good though. It's worth it. I like
That's good.
to go get where you feel like your money, you spend your money and it's worth it.
I'm trying to see when I can get up to.
And you can take the go mobile with take the flavor train there.
Oh yeah, I've done some mobile ones. I need to go. I'm trying to find. Well, I found one. I haven't gone there, but it's like deep in the heart of Texas. No, I'm just kidding. In Greenville,
Excuse me.
and that's about an hour and 15 minutes away.
For the,
And somebody Indian food. Somebody wants me to do.
spicy.
And
So-
see, I like I think they say
Curry.
Indian food is like curry based, and I can't tolerate too much curry.
Depending on
You know,
what
Mama
food
was
it
on a curry kick.
I like curry.
I do too. I like it sometimes.
is. You don't like curry. Then.
Yeah,
You just want
I have to
curry.
actually have a and you're right.
If you like curry, good curry, you eat it.
Yeah. I like your curry chicken when you do mix it with the curry and the jerk. Oh, that's fabulous. But I don't like, and I just, it makes me feel like something's going to start smoking out of the back of my neck. You know, I feel like I'm gonna
curry?
start seeing visions.
Curry?
Yeah,
What?
it puts me in a and so the person who's been asking me to do any food, I love you, I really do, and I appreciate it, and I thank you. But it really is a good travel away just
Indian
to do
food
that.
is not curry.
I know that, but they use a lot of those type seasonings.
I don't think.
And that's why I said, let me just go there and I would really
investigate.
investigate.
Right.
Investigate.
Be fair.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I have to agree. And that's why I said, if
I,
I
on the
go...
other hand, happen to like curry. It doesn't do anything to the back of my neck.
But I'm just serious. You know how I am. I'm very detailed and descriptive. When I'm eating, I see visions of things. It puts me in a headspace. Like if I'm eating this kind of food, okay, I'm home, so the vision is home. When I think of home, I'm about to make it. Yeah. That I have some direction.
Remember that movie One Flew Over Cuckoo's Nest?
Yes, Lisa, yes. Thanks for helping us out, because I went blank. I forgot the words. But then, like, if I eat certain things, like when I eat watermelon, which, side conversation, I went to Harris Teeter to get my fruits
And you
for
got
the
watermelon.
week.
Wait, hold on. What did you think about when you ate the watermelon?
Honey, I was upset this morning. But normally when I think about watermelon, I think about when you and I were children and we would eat it. Summertime, just different thoughts will come into my... I think about Dad, how he would sprinkle that salt. And he liked the watermelon with the seeds in it. He knew how to eat it in one side and it spit out on the other. He did fish bones like that too. Mm-hmm. But anyway, side note, went to Harris Teeter to get all my fruit so I can prep for the week, you know.
Yeah, we got fruit too, dude.
I messed around and got me a watermelon. Seedless is the one I get.
Early.
Well,
I was white to the ball in the middle.
Too early.
Let me tell y'all,
Too early.
I cut it. It was so pretty, the fragrance. And immediately I went to summertime. Summertime. Summertime.
Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Better put a... That's why I need to be able to do that, you know.
Lisa, don't.
So what happened? Go on.
So
it was rubbery.
No, Tony, can I say it? So now I cut the bad boy deep red, like cherry jubilee lipstick red.
Okay. I'm with you.
Like your San Francisco red.
All right now.
All right now.
That's a good red.
I thought I start cutting
Yeah,
that
yeah.
bad boy and chunking it up, and I thought, ooh, I got
Too
excited.
early.
Tony,
Too early.
I want to cry.
Was it slick?
It was mushy.
Yeah, slick.
Oh!
You know what that means.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you didn't know that? You were supposed to drink it with a straw.
It was so mushy. I was
They
so
were using that for a drink.
utterly devastated. You know what? I probably should have kept it for the NutriBullet. I got the other half in the
You did right to get
refrigerator.
rid of it.
I can't do it. I'm
You
throwing
can't
it
do
up.
for that either because it's
Okay.
that mushy that it's either been frozen or they quick grew it. It has no flavor.
Oh my! I
early.
was so upset. Yeah, it is too early because normally I get my June, like middle
When
part
that
of
sun,
June.
Real sun hit it.
Oh my, Mama! I was
Instead of a flashlight.
Oh, I was so upset. I mean, I was offended. That was just so disrespectful.
I know.
Oh, it was
I know
disrespectful.
honey. I know
Because
it
you know what? That's why I never
So
got the watermelon
disrespectful.
already cut up, and it's real expensive. Like
Yeah.
$3.99
For the heart of a watermelon.
And that
Y'all, I
usually
was
is slick.
totally upset
You know,
about that
Yes.
watermelon.
Slick texture.
It's because it's been made in the lab.
Well, I am telling y'all the truth. I wanted to do a video and rant, but I thought, please get over yourself, Tonya.
It'd be like the million.
You have to know.
And normally, and here's the thing: when I grabbed it, I knew it was too early. But I thought to myself, because I had bought some cantaloupe from Harris
You
Teeter.
got hoodwinked. They lied.
I got
to you.
flim flam. I got bamboozled.
They took advantage.
Flim
of you.
flam.
I'm telling you. They saw
Run
you
'em up.
coming. They saw you coming.
I was so upset. So anyway, you know how you think, because I got some good cantaloupe from them about a week or two, couple of weeks. Oh, that cantaloupe was. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna give them a chance, because I normally the only place I ever get my watermelon is Food Line over there where I stay at. I don't know who they're from, honey. It's always on 10. Anyway, or Rex, or sometime I catch me up, get me one on one of them fruit stands. But let me tell you something. I was fit to be tied. So guess what?
Well, you need to wait till the season.
Yeah, and like I said, when I got it, I knew it wasn't the right. I said, Tanya, why are you getting this watermelon?
And crazy as the weather's been, you taking them.
Yeah. I don't even understand, because I'd rather for it had to have been firm and not so sweet. I would have been okay with that. But when it was mushy, I said I had to repent because I was mad.
I know you were.
Yeah.
Because you had your heart set on it.
Oh, yes, I had my heart set
your
on it.
vibe was set on
My
it.
whole vibe, my whole ambience, I had on
And
work.
plus, the fragrance had already taken you
The
there.
fragrance had already got my
And it's-
mouth, because you know when you smell it, sort of tingling sensations. Yeah, your tongue, your saliva gland.
There you go.
Oh
It
man,
was not
what?
to be.
It was not to be. And
Too
I thought to
early.
myself, and I paid $7 for that
Too
watermelon.
early. And that was the other sign. When you see a piece of watermelon that costs more than $3 or $4, leave it alone.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? And I
It's
thought,
an
I
experiment.
wish.
Leave it alone.
And the reason why I buy my most of the time I buy on Food Line, cause see they had that guarantee. Cause if you buy something from Food Line and it's wiggity 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 whack, daddy. I said, oh wiggity 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 whack.
Whack.
Wiggity 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 whack, daddy. I said, oh wiggity
Whack.
wiggity 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 whack.
Yeah.
They'll give you your money back, or let you go in there exchange.
Ooh, I get to go to a professional recording studio.
And listen.
For what? Ooh.
Who knew?
And listen. It's a listen.
Who is Rochelle back in town?
I was saying, this friend of mine that's a politician. Her family owns a recording studio in Durham called
And then who's
Old
singing?
School. Don't y'all worry about it.
She ain't. She just wants somebody to make her think she can
Come on, my
sing.
record label. Come on in. I said, come on in. Come on in. Nah, this girl, I told her that Kareem likes to rap and stuff. She really.
Oh, so he's gonna get the
okay.
mic. He gonna. He
He's
better
gonna-
not freeze. He
I
better
don't know
not.
how it's gonna go, but she said.
Who? I don't understand. You talking about? I know Chef God.
The name she was trying. Linda had it all wrong. Anyway, they're
Chef
in
God? You
Durham.
talking about my nephew Chef God?
Oh, I thought you said the name of the studio.
No, yo.
Oh,
Local bean.
yeah, don't.
Kareem does
Ew.
pretty good.
I know. I want Chef God.
Yeah.
This is Monica.
He sent me he cleaned me up a version.
He did.
Yeah.
Chef
I
God.
said, Kareem, now I can't listen to too much.
You see,
stuff.
Don't play it now while I got my
I'm
thing
plugging my nephew, Chef God. Look for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kareem is very focused on stuff like that, and he inch by inch buying his little equipment.
He's learning as
So-
he goes.
I'm so excited for him because he'll get to go to a professional studio.
Oh,
Chef God,
yes.
make the best of it.
Yeah, she said Cheryl
Make the best of it,
Caesar,
nephew.
John Legend, all of them go right up there. So she said, no telling who might be up there. So.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Because whenever they're, when they're, and they'll tell, when they've got that creative flow, they'll call up if they're traveling and all that kind of stuff, and they got that create a flow on them, and they like, man, you know what? Let me call up and see where the nearest studio is, and they do. They'll book some time at local, major
I'm
studio.
hoping and praying that somebody will be there.
Be there.
Even if it's just a connection.
That's what happened to Jill Scott.
Yeah, but Jill Scott is raw to the bone.
She was wanting to record at a studio, and because she would always be singing, so they needed somebody to stain and polyurethane the hallway. She said, "Oh, I can do that," and she went there to the studio
and started singing while she was
and
doing
she
it.
was, and honey, she
Singing
was,
while she worked.
and they were like, "Who was that?" There it is.
There it is. Well, I can't probably
That's
do
how
a
it started
thing,
for.
but I can do a window pane with some tint. I do industrial, home, and automotive tint.
Oh, okay. I was trying to feel your
And I've
hook.
been known to tint.
I'm trying to feel it.
Tint and home
How about a canvas and a paintbrush? Or some pencil?
That's mama's.
Uh-huh.
But I was trying to follow.
You got to do your shirts.
Oh yes. So we can do some stuff. Yes, we'll have to stay tuned for that flavor train.
Go set up somewhere.
Yeah.
And get it.
Go set up on the table somewhere.
Yeah.
Then.
We're gonna do it.
And show
We're gonna
like
do
this.
it. We're gonna do it. Do it. Oh my God, we've been jaw jacking for 45 minutes. We need to
45
end the
minutes.
show.
This is one of them special edition shows.
Special edition. Does anybody else have anything else to say before we close out the flavor train today?
All I want to say is black love.
Yes.
Black love.
Mom, you got any words of short words of wisdom?
Just to keep praying for each other, love one another, do something good for somebody. In fact, go cook yourself a good plate of food. Toodaloo.
And everyone have a blessed week.
All right, y'all.
Enjoy your week.
Y'all have got to hear this.
Okay, let me do the ending.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, do the ending.
All right. Thanks for stopping on the flavor train because
Thank you.
what? Flavor is where it's at.